Winnipeg is a pothole haven, and this season, a couple of students from the U of M have come up with a plan to tackle the holes once and for all while helping the environment. Joining us now are engineering students Chandra, Hofer, and Abigail Harris. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Okay, let's start with you because I was really interested in the drones aspect of it. How does that all work, especially as it pertains to potholes?
So my project, we have a drone fly over the road. It takes pictures every once in a while. After it processes the images, and if it detects a pothole, takes the GPS location, puts it in a list, and then the city or a client would see where the most potholes are.
Wow. And motorists are likely intently listening to this going, yes, because of course of the way the city is. How does your project work, Abigail?
So I was working with a local company here in Winnipeg. It's called Reliable Tire Recycling. So they incorporate tire waste into different products. So our project was to incorporate that tire waste into a binder, which is one of the main components of pothole fill.
Okay, how does that all work? I mean, tell me like I'm 5 maybe, a little bit more.
So the idea is that pothole fill has 2 main components. So there's the aggregates, which are the big pieces of rock you see, and the binder is the sticky stuff that holds it all together. So we're taking that tire waste and adding it into the binder, and it reduces the amount of the original binder mix that we're using, and it also improves the longer term effects. So it's sustainable from 2 different angles.
Wow, and there's been so many conversations surrounding how the best way to tackle potholes is. Why do you think it's so important to get creative and innovative with it?
Well, for us, we figured out at the beginning of our project that the city, the pothole reporting system is manual, like done by civilians. Oh. So they have to do like an 8-step survey and report the potholes, or else it never gets touched. So we wanted to streamline the process.
That's so funny. I have the Waze app, and it's also user generated. And I was thinking in Winnipeg, it's just going to say pothole ahead, pothole ahead. Yeah. All jokes aside, why is this such important work to do on a broader scale? Because it really is impacting a lot of people.
I think that we're all familiar with how problematic potholes are here, specifically in Manitoba. Just given our climate, we're really familiar with freeze-thaw cycles, these common modes of failure you see. So I've seen success in other parts of the world using this kind of concept with improving the pothole fill. So it'd be exciting to see it in the colder climates here.
Mm-hmm. Stand by for their work, because maybe it will be integrated into our city system one day. Who knows? Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.